The House of Representatives has assured President Bola Ahmed Tinubu of speedy passage of the 2024 Appropriation Bill when brought before it. Chairman House Committee on Appropriation, Mr. Abubakar Bichi, gave the assurance during inaugural meeting of the committee earlier today at the National Assembly. He said the lower chamber will ensure sustenance of the long-established precedent of ensuring compliance with the Financial Year Act through budget passage on or before 31st December of each financial year. This, according to him, will no doubt make the budget implementation from January to December operational and achievable. Mr. Bichi also stated the resolve of the panel to monitor implementation by all the ministries, departments and agencies, MDAs of the government, saying the committee work is not just about budget appropriation. The committee chairman further assured of close coordination of leadership role to facilitate pre-budget meetings with relevant MDAs, while at the same time ensuring that a sustainable collaboration with his sister committee in the Senate and other relevant stakeholders are maintained. Members of the committee took turns to applaud the chairman, pledging unalloyed support and unanimously adopting the committee work plan.